Hello, love. How are you today? For today's video is unboxing of our kitchen tools that we have ordered last time. So what is that for kitchen tools? It's a Shark Ninja. We will find out if what's inside here. I mean what it looks like. Slowly, please. Slowly. Niso drengen. Slowly, please. Slowly. Slowly, please. Oh, what's inside? Oh, what is that for a... It's a ninja. It's a ninja. So let's find out. So what's that for a... What's that for a... Oh, here is the... It's a ninja Foodi. What's that, baby? It's a ninja Foodi. Have no bit here. It's a ninja Foodi. Foodi, yeah. Okay, so let's continue. What is inside? There is a manual. Of course, there's a manual. Can you put this out the manual, please? Put out the manual, bitte. There's a manual. Now we can see what's inside. There is a manual, quick guide, how to use the product. So it's very nice. It's very useful. These are this and comes in a different translation, a language translation. So if you want English, you can read this. Since I'm in Germany, so I am using this German language. So it's very easy. There's also a cookbook. Yes, there's a small cookbook here that you can also use and guide to use the product. So let's see what's inside. There's there is a, I don't know, this is a, I don't know what this for parts, but this is of course for the blender. So and the other one is just like for cleaning, I don't know, for brushing, something like that. And please open. And again, so these are the other parts. Okay, please. So what's that, baby? Oh, this absolutely that's the cover. Wait, that's the cover. Let me show you the cover of the blender. It looks very nice, very big, and looks very stronger. It looks stronger. What else? So we'll see langsam, slowly put that out with the, yeah, genau.
Wo lachst du, Brett, ne?
That's it. It's a blade. Give out. Yeah, this is the blender. So I process this bigger. So very nice. This is the blender. So you can see a very sharp blades inside. So you must careful in this when using. So this is this.
Ninja.
And that's also another another part of this kitchen tool called Ninja Foodi. Oh, I guess this is a cover from the other parts. It's very nice because it's like it's a nice quality. Okay, for stitch, I guess this is the everything off. There's also another manual here. Actually, this is the original manual. The first opening, what I have shown you is not a manual, but instead that's a cookbook. But this is the real manual. Yes, this is the real manual. So you can check this out. It comes with different languages, so it's up for you to. It's up for you to check what
Obst mixen. So.
What for language you will be reading, because I prefer German language since I'm in Germany. So again, continuation. So this is another part of the products. This is, I'm sure this is for the smoothie. Yeah, a little bit bigger. Up to to how many liters? Maximum 21 ounce and maximum 644 ml. So I guess this is the cover. Give me the cover, please. Cover it up. Yes, this is the cover. Cover bitte. Yes, so it's like that. And the other one, please. Oh, this is for the smoothie or for something like, yeah, smoothie, something like that. You can also put this an ice here because there's a small mixer here, a little bit small blades
Ich glaube,
here.
das hier ist für Eis.
Yeah, this also. So very nice product, very nice parts, very nice. I love it. I love the quality. Yes, I love it. I guess this is an extra cover with opening. Right here with opening inside here. It's an extra cover. Yes, it's an extra cover opening. Something like that. Yeah, something like that. You can see.
Kannst du hier
Yeah.
zum Öffnen so.
And that's the last part, which is the standard. Yes, it's the standard. Yeah.
Weil
So
das hier
these are
so,
all the
das ist
unboxing of my
wie so
products.
fest,
Ninja.
wie so gummifest gemacht.
Ninja.
Ist das gemacht?
Hello. Yes. So guys, that's all for my unboxing. Later I'll be showing you how to use this product, which I love very much. So guys, that's my Ninja mixer. Yes. Later I'll try this one and I will be I will be trying this product if it's really nice quality. Okay. Yeah. So that's my Ninja. Pasensya na guys, nasa sala lang kami nag-video. Kasi yung sa kitchen kasi is very magulo. So dito na lang kami sa sala. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.